Hi, welcome back to my channel with another backpacking video. This is to Jabal Hafid in Al Ain from Abu Dhabi. And this is the start of my journey bus from Abu Dhabi X90 to Al Ain. And this is Grand Mosque. Little by little we are moving to Al Ain. You can see very well developed roads and greenery and deserted area. So beautiful. And this is very well developed highway and extremely beautiful view. By bus this is around 2.5 hour journey and only very few stops. I'm almost alone now. You can see nicely developed road signs, color lights and very well planned roads. This is January 2021 and still winter is there. Very nicely bloomed flowers and green everywhere can be seen. This view in 970 bus, you can see far away Jabal Hafid mountain area. And this is Al Ain Zoo. I didn't get down from here. I took a taxi from main bus station and we are on the way to Jabal Hafid mountain. If you take the bus from main bus station, you have to take 970, but that bus will not go to the mountain top. I must say, Al Ain main bus station is very well constructed and very professionally staffed, and it reminds me tiny airport. These roads are from bottom from the mountain to the top. You can see the roads how it bends. We almost came halfway to the mountain top. We almost came to the mountain top, and this is the mountain top area for the visitors. This is how it looks surrounding. The blue sky is very beautiful. Now again we are moving back to the down from the mountain top. You can see people are cycling down from the mountain. They say they are doing this one under professional guidance. You can see some people are walking top to the mountain. We stopped on the way to the down also. This three rocks view is very beautiful, so I asked him to stop. This is Jabal Hafid 970 bus stop. This is how it looked like from the down. This is beside the road in down area. All are green. Jaheli Park. This is for the public too. So I am returned back to the Abu Dhabi now. So if you have any suggestion, please comment below. And please do not forget to subscribe me and like. And see you with another backpacking budget video.